Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Greek PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Do you know how to ask someone to do something in Greek? You will learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Yuli and this is 3-Step Greek by GreekPod101.com. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask someone to do something in Greek through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. Γεια σας! Μπορείτε να μου δείξετε πώς μαγειρεύετε τα ελληνικά φαγητά? Φυσικά! Ας φτιάξουμε μία σούπα. Πρώτα, βάλε νερό στην κατσαρόλα. Εντάξει. Τώρα, πλύνε αυτό το ραπανάκι και κόψε το. Μην το βάλεις ακόμα στην κατσαρόλα. Εντάξει. Α, σταμάτα λίγο. Αυτό δεν είναι ραπανάκι. Let's hear it with the English translation. Γεια σας! Μπορείτε να μου δείξετε πώς μαγειρεύετε τα ελληνικά φαγητά? Hello, can you show me how you cook Greek food? Pay attention to the next sentence. It follows the key speaking pattern you will learn later in this lesson. Φυσικά, ας φτιάξουμε μία σούπα. Πρώτα, βάλε νερό στην κατσαρόλα. Of course, let's make a soup. First, put water in the pot. Εντάξει. Okay. Τώρα, πλύνε αυτό το ραπανάκι και κόψε το. Μην το βάλεις ακόμα στην κατσαρόλα. Now, wash this radish and cut it. Don't put it in the pot yet. Εντάξει. Okay. Α, σταμάτα λίγο. Αυτό δεν είναι ραπανάκι. Oh, stop a second. That's not radish. Let's look at the sentence pattern. Do you remember how the character said, first put water in the pot? Πρώτα, βάλε νερό στην κατσαρόλα. Πρώτα, βάλε νερό στην κατσαρόλα. This sentence follows the pattern here. Imperative verb plus object. The imperative form is used to give direct commands or instructions. Let's see how the line from the dialogue uses the pattern. Πρώτα, βάλε νερό στην κατσαρόλα. First, put water in the pot. Let's break it down. The verb βάλε, meaning put, is the imperative form of the verb βάζω, meaning to put. In this sentence, it is followed by what to do. Νερό, water, and where to put it, στην κατσαρόλα, in the pot. This pattern is present in the following lines as well. Τώρα, πλύνε αυτό το ραπανάκι και κόψε το. Now, wash this radish and cut it. Α, σταμάτα λίγο. Oh, stop a second. So this structure allows you to tell someone exactly what to do and how to do it. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Άνοιξε την πόρτα σιγά. Open the door slowly. Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Άνοιξε is the imperative form of the verb ανοίγω, meaning open. Την πόρτα, the direct object means the door. Σιγά An adverb means slowly. Altogether, the command is clear. Open the door slowly. As you can see, we have again an imperative verb followed by an object and optionally an adverb or phrase giving more detail about how to perform the action. Here's another example. Διάβασε το βιβλίο. Read the book. Διάβασε το βιβλίο. Read the book. Let's try one more. Βάλε τα πιάτα στο τραπέζι. Put the plates on the table. Βάλε τα πιάτα στο τραπέζι. Put the plates on the table. Now you know how to ask someone to do something in Greek. And now let's move on to the practice. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Are you ready? Put the fruit in the fridge. Blank, τα φρούτα στο ψυγείο. Blank, τα φρούτα στο ψυγείο. And the right answer is βάλε. Βάλε τα φρούτα στο ψυγείο. Βάλε τα φρούτα στο ψυγείο. Put the fruit in the fridge. We use βάλε in this sentence because it is the imperative form of the verb βάζω, meaning to put. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Are you ready? Κλείσε το παράθυρο. Κλείσε το παράθυρο. Close the window. Κλείσε το παράθυρο. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Wash your hands before the meal. Πλύνε or άνοιξε τα χέρια σου πριν το φαγητό. Πλύνε or άνοιξε τα χέρια σου πριν το φαγητό. And the right answer is πλύνε. Πλύνε τα χέρια σου πριν το φαγητό. Wash your hands before the meal. We use πλύνε in this sentence because it is the imperative form of the verb πλένω, meaning to wash. Άνοιξε is incorrect because it is the imperative form of ανοίγω, meaning to open. Let's translate some sentences into Greek. Translate. Cut the vegetables carefully into Greek. Κόψε, the second person singular imperative of the verb κόβω, meaning to cut, used here to give a direct command, followed by τα λαχανικά a neuter plural noun phrase meaning the vegetables in the accusative case as the object of the verb. Next. Προσεκτικά. An adverb meaning carefully, used to describe how the action should be done. Κόψε τα λαχανικά προσεκτικά. Κόψε τα λαχανικά προσεκτικά. Cut the vegetables carefully. Listen to me as I speak. Which conjugated verbs are used in the sentences? Φέρε τον καφέ. Let's listen one more time. Φέρε τον καφέ. Did you hear? Φέρε. That's the imperative of φέρνω, meaning to bring. How about, άνοιξε το παράθυρο, κάνει ζέστη. Let's listen one more time. Άνοιξε το παράθυρο, κάνει ζέστη. Did you hear? Άνοιξε. That's the imperative of ανοίγω, meaning open. This is a positive command. Next. Κλείσε την πόρτα σιγά. One more time. Κλείσε την πόρτα σιγά. Did you hear? Κλείσε. That's the imperative form of κλείνω, meaning close. Next. Καθάρισε το τραπέζι μετά το δείπνο. One more time. Καθάρισε το τραπέζι μετά το δείπνο. Did you hear? Καθάρισε. That's the imperative of καθαρίζω, which means to clean. The command is to clean the table after dinner. And πάρε το μήλο. One more time. Πάρε το μήλο. Did you hear? Πάρε. That's the imperative of παίρνω, meaning to take. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to ask someone to do something in Greek, and now you can move on to the next lesson in the pathway on GreekPod101.com. Addio!